Hello students. So we continue our discussion on case taking further with respect to aphorism number 98. So here we are going to see how the instructions have been given by Dr. Hahnemann to the physician again. So case taking in the chronic diseases. So here the sources of the patient's sufferings are patient himself and his relatives, and lastly physician who will observe through his senses. So see this first point, physician understands patient sufferings by his own narration. So his means here patient's own narration and sensations through his senses. Now here his is physician. So the most important source of the totality is patient himself. He will be giving his own sufferings in his own language, in his own words, and that's his own narration, which is most important to build up the totality of symptoms. Physician should listen and understand patient's all complaints and which patient explains and gives due importance to all his narration. So physician has to listen, has to understand patient's complaints which patient himself is narrating. And for this, the skills of the physician should be, he should have circumspection, tact, knowledge of human nature, caution in conducting inquiry, and patience in eminent degree. So these are the 5 skills Dr. Hahnemann tells that physician should possess. And for what purpose? For investigation of true complete picture of chronic disease. So the most important aspect described in this aphorism, physician should give the most important to the patient's own narration about his sufferings. Okay, so for this purpose, he should have the skill of circumspection, tact, knowledge of human nature, caution in conducting inquiry, and patience in eminent degree. All these points which we will see again in more details. Okay, so this skill he should possess for investigation of true picture of chronic disease. So next points which are again discussed in aphorism number 98. Friends and relatives may have misunderstood and observed only with prejudiced mind and may tell what they saw. So here we are going to see the some problems may occur in the narration of friends and relatives about patient sufferings. And what are these problems? That they may have misunderstood patient, they may have just observed only with prejudiced mind, or they may exaggerate the patient's symptoms, or they may alter the complaints of patient. Means he is suffering from ABCD and his relatives or friends may tell the physician he is suffering from PQRS. That's it. So they may exaggerate, they may alter the complaints of patient. So Dr. Hahnemann told to give the importance to patient's narration in his own words. Okay. So always physician has to listen to the patient about his sufferings in patient's own words. That is most important source of totality. Patient himself. Okay. So again in detail Dr. Hahnemann has told us about the skills of physician. So first is circumspection. Now, what is circumspection? That means the physician gives importance to all the facts in the case, attention to all circumstances, alert watchfulness, continuous attentions. It means what? It gives physician gives importance to the hard facts in the case. That is craving sweets 3 marks is a hard fact in the case. So he will give the importance. Then he will give attention to all the circumstances, all the modalities he will consider. There will be alert watchfulness and continuous attention to the smallest narration of patient. Second is tact. So what is tact? The skill physician should possess is a good perception, ability to deal with any situation, careful consideration in dealing with others to avoid any offense, and ability to say right things. So, what does that mean? He should have the skill in consideration in dealing with others to avoid any offense, and ability to say right things. Okay, so if the patient while narration, there can be a situation that he may cry, or he may get angry, or he may avoid the narration. So he should have the tact to interrogate the patient by various means. Okay, so and he will not anyway feel, the patient will may feel offended, so he will not do such things. He will only have the ability to say the right things to the patient. If the patient is he may involved into some habits such as alcohol, smoking, then physician should have the boldness to say the right things, that the patient's habits are not good for health. So physician should have the tact to deal with the various situations. Knowledge of human nature. So knowledge of behavior, personality, emotions, different gestures, dealing with different persons with different psychology. So in the 96 aphorism we saw that the hypochondriac patients, hypersensitive patients. In aphorism 97 we saw indolent patient. So physician should have the knowledge of behavior, personality and emotions, different gestures, and he will be dealing with different persons with different psychology, and in various situations how to handle the various patients. So this is again described in under mental diseases by Dr. Henneman in aphorism 210 to 230. Okay, so dealing with different persons with different psychology. So Dr. Henneman has given the clear-cut instructions in more details in those aphorisms. So we will see at that time in details. So caution in conducting the inquiry. So inquire each and every aspect very cautiously. Careful attention should be given to the every event, and inquiry must be done without any mistakes. So we also saw the most obvious cause. Okay, so the various sensitive matters in the patient's life, such as we saw that some habits, onanism, some very sensitive history in the past of patient's life, he should be physician should be very cautious in conducting such very much delicate events. And lastly, patience in eminent degree. So physician should give time for inquiry of each case. Don't take history in hurriedness, and explain the to the patient and wait for the answer. Okay, so no hurriedness should be there from the part of physician. He should give time for inquiry of each case, so that at the end he is sure that about the truthfulness of the symptom, and hence this will be the foundation to build the totality of symptoms, that each symptom will be truthful. Hence, fidelity in tracing the picture of disease that we already saw in the aphorism number 83 as quality of physician. Okay, so again I repeat, these are the skills the physician should possess: circumspection, tact, knowledge of human nature, caution in conducting inquiry, and patience in eminent degree. And this aphorism 99, only two aphorisms I have taken in this presentation, okay, because they are the remaining aphorisms till 104 I have divided into two uh, parts. Okay, so this presentation contains 98 and 99 aphorism. So 99th aphorism is about how the physician should be taking the case in acute diseases. So while investigation of acute disease, all the symptoms should be taken from the patient, and it is very much fresh in the patient's memory because they are of recent origin. So physician has very less to inquire. The patient himself starts that, doctor, I have having pain in the throat. I am getting such a pain that it is something hurting in my throat, and I am just, please switch off the fan, I am feeling very chilly, and all such things the patient will start telling you spontaneously, and he himself talks the remedy. Okay, so this is the way the physician will be having a little ease in taking the case of a acute disease in the patient. The patient may tell to switch on the fan or switch off the fan. The while entering your clinic, the patient may be covering his ears with the scarf, or he may have shawl with him, indicating his thermal state also. So, as the symptoms or deviations from health are fresh in patient's memory, the physician has very less to inquire. Patient tells spontaneously all the deviations from his healthy state. So, building the totality in acute disease, the physician takes very much less time. Okay, and that presentation is the acute totality, and the deviations of health or the symptoms are very much fresh. He will himself start talking continuously. The physician has to inquire very less. Okay, so that was about the aphorism number 99, that case taking in acute disease. So that was a very short presentation because next three aphorism we are going to take on the case taking in epidemic diseases. Okay, so I have kept this presentation very short, and soon we will be discussing on the case taking in epidemic diseases, and two parts again later is about 103, that is case taking in chronic disease, and the last part in 104 as record keeping. Okay, so we will see the further discussion in the next presentation. Thank you.